Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you these absolutely delicious pancakes. I don't know about you, but all my TikTok feed is literally about these donuts. But one, I do not live in Vegas, so I had to find the way to do it. And you guys know I always satisfy my sweet cravings in my breakfast. Either my oatmeal or pancakes, and today we're doing it pancakes. So let's get straight on to it. Very basic ingredients. You're going to need your pancake mix. You guys know I use the Kodiak brand. And then this is the protein powder that I personally love. Like I always said, it's very important you have a protein powder that you genuinely love the flavor. And this is one that I found to be my favorite, especially in vanilla. It's so hard to find one that's really good, to be honest. I ordered off Amazon. I'm going to leave the link down below. You're going to need some almond milk, vanilla extract, some berries, and then your sweetener of choice. I'm using monk fruit sweetener, and then you're gonna need some jello, some sugar-free jello pudding, vanilla flavor. Obviously, I do this just because it's lower in calories. I will be showing a recipe with actually egg yolks and all that, but it's higher in calories, so I wanted to show a lower calorie version. And then this definitely does it for me as well, having that custard feeling and taste. But like I said, I wanted to share a lower calorie, and more than anything, it's quicker, especially if you're trying to run out the house in the morning. It's something more accessible that you can do on a daily basis. Okay, as you guys know, my pancake base is always water, protein powder, and my cake mix. This time, I did go ahead and add a little bit more vanilla extract. I just wanted the flavor a little bit more out there, so I went ahead and added it. And I always do my pancake mix first, just so it kind of thickens up. I don't know. I notice it thickens up a little bit after time, and it just makes our pancakes a little bit thicker as well. I'm going to go ahead and do the vanilla custard. So, like I said, it's very important you have a vanilla protein powder that you really like, as these pancakes were going to be really low in calories, as we're not using Greek yogurt or anything like my other pancakes. I mean, really low in protein. So I wanted to make it higher in protein. You can go ahead and only do the half scoop into your pancakes if that's what you like, but I really like having a higher protein breakfast, as it keeps me fuller for longer the rest of the day. So that's a personal preference. I will say it does taste a little bit like the protein powder, I'm not going to lie. So you can totally omit it, or you can add a little bit less. I'm pretty sure if you add a little bit less, then you won't taste it. But I like high protein, so that's why I went ahead and added it. Although I like the taste of my vanilla protein, so it didn't taste bad. But like I said, I will be straight up with you guys. You want to go ahead and mix for about 2 minutes, and we're going to add this into our fridge for 3 minutes. Meanwhile, we're going to go ahead and do the caramel and, cook our pancakes. I do not add the full scoop onto my pancakes just because it does dry it out. That I will say. So yeah, before I get comments like, well, why didn't you add it onto the pancake mix? Because it dries out your pancakes. And I still like to have a pretty regular pancake, if that makes sense, or taste of it. So I tried using my sweetener, my monk fruit. It does not work. Okay, so I redid it again, but this time I used allulose. So you want to go ahead and make sure you have allulose sugar. It's the only one that's actually going to caramelize like a caramel sauce, and being low calorie. So as you guys know, I absolutely love these mini little pans. I bought them off Safeway. They make the perfect pancake, or I don't know, perfect size, I feel like. You want to go ahead and either do 3 big thick pancakes or do 4. I always do 4. I think it's the perfect thickness, or you can do 6 if you want them thinner, but for this I do not recommend it, as we need a pretty thick pancake. That way we can dip it in there without burning our hands into the caramel sauce. I don't know if I mentioned, but like as always, all the measurements will be listed down below, as well as the macros. And then obviously pretty self-explanatory. You just want to add your pancakes, add filling in the middle of each one, and then or pancakes, I look for the thicker side of my pancake. That way I don't burn my hands. And I'm just going to add the raspberries on top. I did add a little bit gold luster dust. If you didn't know, I used to do treats, baking, all that kind of stuff. So I had some on hand. I did not have the gold leaf. I think I threw it out. I don't know what happened to it, but I don't have it anymore. So I went ahead and added that. But I think we came pretty close to it. It looks like it, and I think I did an amazing job. More than anything, they are absolutely delicious. And I totally failed here because I hit the camera and so everything shook up. But as you can see, the main thing, it crystallized, it did the job. It is so good. It satisfied my craving that I had for them. Obviously, I need to get to Vegas one day and probably try them out. But for now, this is what we have, and obviously, it's more macro friendly, delicious breakfast. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. This is the type of content that I post. Things that have helped me lose 115 pounds, recreating and doing recipes just like this on a day-to-day basis. Losing weight does not have to be boring. You can go ahead and eat meals like this and still lose weight. Like I said, I always satisfy my sweet cravings in my breakfast. That's personally what I like, but I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I post more content on there that sometimes doesn't make it on here, and a diversity of other content as well. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.